Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have two Coach items to show you. I wanted to unbox this, and by the way, this is on a clean wavy pad because even though I cleaned this box off, I just don't like having a dirty box on the coffee table in the living room. So forgive that, but it is clean. Anyway, so this first item I'm going to show you is actually something that I bought for my mom for Christmas, and I want to unbox it now just to check it and make sure that it's okay. There's nothing wrong with it, just in case I have to return it or exchange it. And so I'm going to do that in front of you guys. And then I'm going to show you something that I got for my birthday, which was last month. So here we go. And I did buy this from the Coach website. It was something I had my eye on for my mom for a little while, and they apparently originally sold out and then they restocked. So I felt like if I didn't get it now, it probably wouldn't be available by Christmas. So I was kind of hoping it might go on sale, but it did not. So I don't want to take a chance. Okay, let's see. And I don't know about you guys, but I actually often start my Christmas shopping in the summer. Okay, so let me just take this. You know what? I can take this off now. I'll just have the nicely wrapped item here. Okay, and as you see, it has the Coach sticker. So I'm just gonna slide it out so I can slide it back in. Okay, and it's got all this nice tissue paper. Wow, okay, there we go. There's the dust bag. Now, it is a little bit smaller than I was hoping. This came in two sizes, or it comes in two sizes, I should say. I did get the smaller one, and I'll be honest, I got the smaller one because it was a little bit less expensive. My mom doesn't carry bags very much these days, but she just loves what this is made of, and she loves this kind of material. So I just wanted to get her one, and I thought she would really appreciate it. So let me show you. Ooh. Okay. It is the Coach denim tabby. Look how beautiful it is. Wow. Oh, she's going to absolutely love this. It looks like blue jeans material. And not only that, but I had her initials embossed on the hang tag. So I thought this was going to be like a really special gift for her for Christmas, and that she would absolutely love this. Okay, and so the price of this is what does that say? $3.95. It's the quilted denim tabby. I guess it says SB20. And let's see, I don't want to undo all the protective material, but I just want to give it like a little once over here to make sure that there's no damage. All right, I'm not going to undo the chain. So let me just open this up. Okay. Oh, it's got a double, like a double flap here. There's a flap here. And then there's this inside, there's some compartments. I'm going to assume that it's okay. It seems okay, and it looks okay. So I'm going to assume everything's okay. It snaps together. So as I said, I don't want to take the protective, this protective foam off. I can see a little bit of the chain And it also has like the denim running through it. I don't know if you can see that. So it looks good. And what we'll do at Christmas is I'll just obviously have her open it, and then we can show it in its full beauty. But I absolutely love it. Gosh, if she doesn't want it, I'll take it. I'm not huge into like denim bags. I mean, I like jeans, but I do have a denim bag. But my mother is obsessed with denim. She likes, first of all, blue is her favorite color, but she just loves denim material. She always has. When I was a kid, she used to like sew a lot, and she used to always like make stuff like denim skirts, and she would make her own like denim bags. And it's just something she's completely obsessed with. So I figured this would be a nice bag for her to have. So, okay. I like a little bit more of like structured bag, but this is really cute. I have to admit it, and I do like that the C is that really nice, like well, it's not enamel, but I just like, it's different, you know. It's blue. She's gonna love this. So very exciting. So all right, let me put this back in the dust bag, and I'm sorry I can't open it all the way, but I really want her to have that experience on Christmas. As I mentioned before, if you guys have watched any of my videos, my mom has Alzheimer's, and I'm her full-time caregiver. She broke her hip on moving day last year when she was supposed to be moving into this condo. And unfortunately, she's still at the nursing home because starting almost immediately, there were all kinds of maintenance issues with this condo, and the condo associate, or the board of the condo board of our condo association is supposed to be paying to fix them, and they're refusing. So we are now in a battle with them over that. It's been a huge struggle to get everything fixed, and without fixing all the issues, she can't come back because one of the big problems is in her bedroom, and I won't get into the whole thing, but I am hoping, I have some maintenance people coming in on Monday, and I am hoping that we're going to get stuff resolved next week, and then she can come home. But anyway, you may have seen me. I had gotten her another Coach bag. I guess it was last year. It was the Coach camera bag, and in blue, and I'm waiting for her to come back to give that to her because obviously she has no use for that at the nursing home, and I have to be careful what I give her there because things get lost, things get stolen, things just get mixed up. And she's now, at first she was in a rehab unit for people with, injuries, but she's now they transferred her to the Alzheimer's unit. So people, like, they don't have good memories. They don't remember what's theirs, what's not theirs. They see something, they just pick it up, they walk away with it. So obviously I'm not going to give her like expensive clothes or like a handbag or anything like that. I have all these things, like I bought her for all these occasions, like for her birthday and Christmas and Mother's Day and everything is just waiting for her to come back. So when she comes back, I'll do a whole unboxing with all of the things I got for her, except the stuff for Christmas. The stuff for this Christmas will be put away until Christmas. And actually, because she wasn't here for Christmas last year, and I didn't want to bring the nice stuff I got her, and I think I showed, maybe I didn't show everything, so I won't say, but I ended up, because she was still stuck there at Christmas, I ended up getting her some like pajamas and lounge pants and stuff that she needed more of there. But I just went to Target and got it because I didn't want to buy expensive stuff. So the nice stuff that I bought her, like I have some stuff for her from LL Bean, and I have some stuff for her from like a boutique near here. I got her this really adorable sort of jacket thing. So stuff like that I'm just keeping here for when she comes back. So anyway, now for what I got for myself. So I was watching the video channel Dawn Loves Couture. This was probably a couple months ago, and she was showing a Coach zippy wallet that she got, and I absolutely loved it. And so I went on to, well, of course, it wasn't on the Coach website anymore, and I don't know if she even got it there. She may have gotten it at the outlet, I'm not sure. But I went on to Dillard's website, which is where I've gotten quite a few Coach items. Dillard's has sometimes things that Coach doesn't have anymore. Sometimes they have things that just aren't on Coach's website, and or they'll have something in a different color. And Dillard's items seem to go on sale quite a bit. So I went onto the Dillard's website and I found the item. So here it is. It's in its little plastic. I got this for my birthday, which was in July. And here it is. It is the zippy wallet in the color dragon fruit. And I'm going to take this out now. I have not used it because I wanted to kind of, show it on video as in its pristine condition. And what I love about this is it has a little back pocket. I have one of these from Chanel in the boy style, and it's in blue, and I absolutely love it. I have to say I don't use it as much as I should because I like pickle it. I'm afraid that it's going to get messed up, which is silly. But I thought this was a perfect, less expensive version. This one cost $95, and I still have the tag on it. Actually, wait. Yes, 95. I'm sorry. I'm looking at the Canadian price. And let me see what it says. Quilted leather, small zip, ARCC. And so I think this is about the same size. What I'm probably going to do is I'll probably do a comparison video at some point. But they look to be about the same size to me. And what's nice about this one, aside from the fact that it's a lot less expensive, and I think I paid, when I got mine from Chanel, it was before the pandemic. I want to say it was maybe 2018 and maybe 19 or 18. And so I think that was just about $500 back then. I know it's more now. And so this at $95 is a much better deal. So let's see. It has a nice silver tone zipper, and it has the silver tone C for Coach. And as I mentioned, what I love is that it has this pocket on the back, which my Chanel one does not. And this is great, like if you need a credit card or an ID that you need quick access to, or even just a little bit of cash, you don't have to open the whole wallet. And so inside, as you can see, I'll take this out, is all of these little compartments. Let me take all these things out of here because I'm gonna start using this now. It's such a pretty color, especially like summer and spring, although you can use this all year round. But since it's already August, I gotta start taking this out. Let's see. Okay, so here we have 1, 2, 3 compartments in the middle, and then on each side there is a slip pocket, which again is perfect for, say, an ID or a credit card. I would probably put my ID and my credit card in those, and then maybe some cash in the inside. But you can do whatever you want, or you can put some coins in there. I just love this. It's just so cute, and I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. I always carry like a very large wallet. I have a wallet from Louis Vuitton that I've had, oh my gosh, for more than 10 years, and I love it. It's amazing. They actually don't even call it a wallet. They call it an organizer, but it's amazing, and it holds like everything plus the kitchen sink. I used to take that to to work and everything, and so I felt like when I was gone like all day, I needed like a lot with me, versus now that I do a little work from home and of course take care of my mom. So I'm usually not out of the house for like, 15 hours a day or 8 or 10 hours a day. I mean, it's very rare that I would be gone for 8 hours a day. Whereas when I was working in an office, I would be gone for, 12 to 15 hours. So, or more. So I can get along, with just a smaller wallet, like this to just put some cash and some credit cards and some coins. I don't need, I mean, honestly, in my regular wallet, I should show you guys someday what I carry in there. I have stamps in there. I have photos in there of my pets. I have I have like a card that tells you how much to tip. Like it just like whatever. I have like little I think I have like a little map in there. It's just literally I have everything in there. Just so much stuff, which again, back in the day was kind of necessary, but not so much anymore. So, but if I carry a big bag, I put that big wallet in there. But the last few years I have been doing like so great with these small wallets. It's just so convenient. And usually the bags I carry these days usually are a little bit on the smaller side. So yeah, having a nice compact wallet in a pretty color that's easy to find in your bag is so great. So those are the two Coach items that I bought recently, one for myself for my birthday and one that, one for my mom for Christmas. And again, I wish I could open it and unpack the whole thing, but I just don't want to do that because I want her to have that experience on Christmas. And speaking of my birthday, I did get some other items for my birthday, but instead of doing a what I got for my birthday haul, because honestly, except for this, there was nothing really that exciting. I mean, I got some nice things, but I didn't get like a new bag or like expensive jewelry. I did get some fashion jewelry, but I thought that I would kind of break it up into smaller videos, kind of like this, because I knew I had my mom's Coach bag coming, so I would do this with that. And then my next video is going to be some other things I got for my birthday. I got them for one of my Louis Vuitton bags. So I'm going to film that as soon as I end this video, and then I'll load that up probably the day after this goes up. So anyway, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry my videos are so inconsistent in terms of, just making them and uploading them. The situation here is just a little chaotic because of my mom, and the whole situation and all the maintenance issues here. I do hope when she comes back to be able to film more regularly, and I actually want to include her in the channel. I think it would be really good for her, and I also think that she would enjoy it. She loves clothes, and even though she doesn't get dressed up in anything fancy these days, she has a boatload of clothes in her closets here, and she likes to be very coordinated. And she used to, years ago when she was young, she worked at a magazine, and so she was always really very into fashion. And she was always really great at matching colors and things. So, maybe we'll do some what am I wearing and outfits of the day and stuff with her. And I'll let her tell you what she's wearing, because even though she has Alzheimer's, she's still functioning. She can still, she can still speak, thank God. She can still, get around, she can feed herself, and she can still enjoy things. So trying to keep her that way as long as possible. And one of the things that she really can still enjoy is fashion, or if we're talking about fashion, or we go to a store. And actually she said she wanted to go to Woodbury Commons, which is about an hour from here. So hopefully when she comes back before the weather turns cold, we're going to do that. Yeah, maybe we'll pick up a few things. We used to go all the time, not maybe all the time, but we used to go a couple times a year, and that was really fun, but we haven't gone in a very, very long time. So anyway, guys, thank you once again, and have a great day.